What's up guys, welcome back to my channel Jim Travels the World. This is Jim and today I'm going to show you how to make a reel with an amazing transition. So before we get into editing, let me show you the video. I hope you guys liked that video. Now that video was shot in a portrait format, in a vertical format for reels. Now editing a video like that and showing it to you guys would be a little bit difficult because there were multiple edits in that. But a similar video I'm going to show you right now in this environment. So wait a minute. See? Isn't that cool? Hey Jim. So I'm going to show you how to edit a video like this while Jim has his tea. Alright Jim, get out of here. So, couple of things you need to make sure when you're making a video like this, especially when you're shooting outside. The light constantly changes. Sometimes there are clouds, sometimes there's just harsh sunlight. So if you're having multiple characters and if while shooting this particular character there was sunlight, like harsh sunlight, and then when shooting the other character there were clouds, you're gonna see the difference and it's gonna be very difficult, and when you edit you'll see the obvious change of lighting and you can make out the difference. So make sure you shoot this kind of videos in a controlled environment where you control the lights. Alright, so for editing I'm using Final Cut Pro. You can do the editing on any software. Since I have MacBook and I prefer editing on Final Cut, I am using this one. So I'm gonna pull out the video like this one. Alright, for editing purpose I'm going to show you this part of the video. So I do this action, I wear another t-shirt, I throw this t-shirt. So this is one part of the video, right? This whole section is one part of the video. Now the other section, which my other character will be, is right here. So this is my other character, right? So when I shoot the video, so for editing purposes, I'm gonna mark the exact spot where I'm gonna pull the t-shirt out, or where it looks like I'm pulling the t-shirt out. Let me show you. Right at this point. So I'm gonna mark that area, and then I'm gonna place the. So this whole section doesn't need to be there. Yep, right here. I'm gonna cut this section right here, gone. So right here. So now this obviously does not look very clean, so we're gonna do some cuts right here. This looks pretty decent. Right here, it looks pretty decent. Now at this point, when the t-shirt is traveling here somewhere, we want the other character, so I'm gonna mark this area, boom, and I'm gonna place the other character right where I've marked it. So I want this section where I'm surprised, right here. Right here. I want this to come right here. So I'm placing one clip on top of the other. Now obviously when I play this, I'm gonna disappear the other character. Boom. Now we want both the characters to be there. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna use a masking tool. So we find it over here in FX. We select the draw mask, we put it on the top clip, and when we go in the video inspector, right here in the draw mask, we are going to cut the video in half. There you go. Now we have both the characters. Now let's watch it. See? Now over here at this point, my hand is getting disappeared. So what we're going to do is we're going to take on the first of the frame, adjust the control points right there. Simple. There you go. Isn't that cool? Hey Jim. So see, it's literally that simple. You have to keep the clip on top of the other, use your masking tool and just cut it out. Now in the video that I've showed you, now there are multiple characters. Now I did the same thing over and over and over again for every character that kept popping out, and I had to adjust the speed because every time I did this I had to match the music. So it all depends on how fast your music is and how you want to go through it. That was it, folks. This is very simple editing and all it requires is a masking tool. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys like this video. Leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video.